quick video on how to take these windsocks off. They're really simple. You should just be able to pull this old windsock off. And then the new one has actually got a very tight hole. Sometimes if you take like a small wrench, you can open and wrench, that's about just a little bit smaller than the diameter of the mic. This one happens to be a 7mm. You can kind of shove it down in the hole and widen it out just a little bit. You don't want to widen it too much because then it will fall off. We purposely make that tight. So I'm going to take this opening wrench right here and I'm just going to open up this hole just a little bit because it is a little tight. I'm just going to stretch it out just a bit. Don't rip it. And then I'm going to put it onto the mic. And it is tight, and it should be tight because you don't want it blown off. Kind of just work both sides, and then it should go onto the bottom of the mic right where that thing is. See, that's it right there. And the bolt side should be the flat side. So where you see the two screws, that should be the flat side. That's it. Thank you.